Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my tutorials. Friends, today's topic of discussion is also the vocabularies which I have picked up from the previous papers of combined high secondary level examination. I hope it will help you a lot. So here the question is, find the meanings of the words from the options given below. So let us discuss the words. The first word is savor, and its meaning is to taste or have a suggestion or trace of. It is a verb, so its meaning is very simple. Its meaning is to taste something. Let us see the synonyms of the word. Its synonym is to suggest, smack, taste, flavor. Then its antonym is refuse, disgust, like this. Let us see its sentence. He savored all the dishes at once. That means he tasted all the dishes at once. So it's very clear. Its meaning is very simple. The meaning of the word savor is to taste. And since the options are taste, protector means one who protects someone. Then sour is also a taste only, but it is having a sharp taste. Flavor is also a different kind of taste. So its answer is very clear. It is the option number A is the answer to the question number 1, that is taste. Taste is the answer to this question. It's very simple word, but the question is given in a little bit in a critical way. Okay. So number 1 question is clear. Next comes question number 2. The word is rivaled. Rivaled is a verb, and its meaning is to compete with. You have competition with someone. You have a rivalry with someone, that is known as rivaled. Okay, it's very easy. Its synonyms are compete, emulate. Then its antonyms are allied or cooperate. Clear? The meaning is very easy. To compete with someone. You have to have a competition with someone. If your friend may be also your rival. In the competition you have rivalry, yes or no? So these are known as rivaling here. So it is used in the verb form. Let us see the example. Both of the families rivaled among each other for many years. That means both the families had rivalry among each other, and it continued for many years. Okay, that means to have competition among one another. Clear? This is the meaning of the word rival. Then here options are given. Hatred means to dislike. Revise cannot be the answer, because revise means to what? To look again at something or at an idea so that you can improve it. So revise also cannot be its answer. Compete is an option. It is a synonym of the word rival. And contradict means to say something opposite of something. So this also cannot be the answer. So its answer is what? Compete. So option number C is the answer to question number 2. Next comes the third word, that is trimming. Trimming is a very common word, and girls, you must be very much common with this word, because most of the time we use this word in our day-to-day conversations, right? So here the word trimming is a noun form, and its meaning is to cut something in a small amount to look tidy. Okay, so its meaning is very simple. To cut something, to look tidy. In order to make yourself look tidy or make something look tidy, you cut something into a small amount or small piece, so that it looks more and more beautiful than the original look. Okay, so its synonym is cuttings and decoration. Its antonyms are shabby and sloppy. So I have given a common example. I have seen trimming her hair. That means she had trimmed her hair. She had shortened her hair so that she look more beautiful. Okay. So this is the meaning of the word trim, and its options are skimming, arranging, planning and cutting. Skimming means removing. So it can't be the answer to the word trimming. Arranging is a very simple word, you know the meaning. Planning is also a simple word, and cutting is an option to the word trimming. So its answer is option number 4. That is option number D, cutting. Clear? Today I have taken very simple words. Okay. Now let's come to the 4th question. The word is pester, and it is a verb, and its meaning is to annoy somebody by asking many times. Means you meet some people who ask you a simple question many times. One question only he will repeatedly ask, keep continuing asking you, and you feel bored from that person. You feel trouble. That's why this person is asking you this type of question so many times, which is very simple. So this is the meaning of the word pester. Okay, means you get troubled by the questions of some people. This is known as pester. Its synonyms are badger, annoy, harass, like this. Then its antonyms are oblige, comfort, etc. And its synonyms are, its sentence is, he pesters me all the time. That means he always asks me such type of question that I get annoyed, I get harassed. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word and usage of the word pester. Let us see the options. Number 1 is annoy. So annoy is a synonym of the word pester. Insect, it cannot be a meaning of the word pester. Upset also, it is not an answer. Then paste is, it cannot be also the answer of the word pester. So its answer is annoy. The first option is the answer of the word pester. Clear? So if you like my video, please hit the like button. Do share with your friends and family so that they can also get help from these videos. And if you want to get regular updates, please subscribe my channel.